easier for them to buy shares on the main board.
So did you see, yes, you saw a rise, a jump in the number of shares being traded daily or following your introduction?
There's been a nice uptick. It wasn't transformational, but it's been nice. I mean, the volume's been good. Obviously, silver price is doing well with us announcing great exploration results as well. Those have all been drivers. So it wasn't only the TSX uplisting, but certainly it certainly has helped without question.
With all the news flow happening right now for AbraSilver, do you plan additional private placements in the near future or not?
No. So we're fully funded. With the $60 million that we raised earlier this year, we're fully funded until a construction decision. Again, when we need to build this, that's a different story. Obviously, we're looking at project financing options for that. But we're fully funded for all of 2025 and 2026 until a construction decision is made.
Yes, okay. Now let's talk back about Argentina. How is it about doing business in Argentina? As the election of Milei change things for the best or for the worst for you guys in AbraSilver?
Yes, Argentina has been a radical sort of positive transformation here over the last several years. So President Javier Milei, again, was elected less than 2 years ago now, but his policies have been, for reducing regulations and stimulating new investments moving forward. Okay. And RIGI, again, was that key economic incentive regime. Yep. And so that's very positive. You've seen lots of development there. Over $12 billion worth of new projects have applied for RIGI, and it applies across it, not just mining, but of course mining's very capital intensive, so mining of course benefits. But recently on the mining side, you've seen Rio Tinto receive RIGI approval for their large Rincon project, which is lithium. That's also in Salta, so it's in our province, and it's a multi-billion-dollar project moving forward. So you're seeing lots of new projects moving forward now in Argentina, I'd say more than ever. And then recently, of course, BHP and Lundin Mining acquiring Filo del Sol, which is a world-class copper project, again, multi-billion-dollar project that's moving forward. Los Azules is moving forward. There's, Rio Tinto again is moving forward into the construction stage here. So you're seeing lots of major companies now investing in Argentina and moving these projects forward to capture those benefits being offered under RIGI. And really, when you look on the precious metal side, so silver and gold, we are the only silver project that we know of that qualifies for RIGI, just given how advanced stage we are.
That's why I would not be surprised to see a partnership merging of some sort in the future. Now, to talk about the stock of AbraSilver, it has been performing quite well, especially over the last few months. I'm a happy shareholder.
Great.
For those of us who are not yet shareholders, do you still think it's time to buy the stocks, and if so, why?
Yeah, no, it's absolutely a great time right now. As I mentioned, the company has really never been stronger. There's no question about it. Yes. When you look at it from a cash position, we have about $50 million in cash. Very, very strong balance sheet. On the exploration side, this new drill hole from the Oculto East area really opens up now a new focus for the company. So lots of upside we see moving forward. And then with RIGI and the permits and the resource update, we have lots and lots of catalysts ahead. So from the company standpoint, we're executing right now on all cylinders, and we expect lots of momentum here as we finalize this year and move into next year to a construction decision. So lots of catalysts upcoming. But then importantly, on the silver and gold side as well. Gold's been performing very, very strongly for the last several years now. Silver's been lagging and had difficulty breaking above $35. It was very frustrating for the last several years. Every time it got close to $35,
and going back down.
Correct. Now it's finally, just recently, within the last few days here, has finally broken above $35, now trading. So really renewed interest that we're seeing. A lot of investors that did not want to invest in this space are really looking for opportunities. And I think we really stand out, given that we're advanced stage, again, benefiting from RIGI here in Argentina, moving this project forward, and in parallel announcing world-class exploration results. There are very few silver projects, I'd say, of this magnitude moving forward at this time globally. So it's I think we're very, very uniquely positioned to benefit. And as things continue to progress and we continue to de-risk, I see much stronger share price levels ahead of us here.
Good. Well, that was that was to be the last question that I have. Gold has been performing quite well in the beginning of the year. Now, indeed, silver is catching up. And do you have any expectation for the price of those two precious metals going onwards?
Yeah, so I mean, look, we don't do sort of price forecasting, but of course, I listen to
you're
the
uniquely
experts.
positioned to give your view.
So yeah, I listen to all the experts, and clearly, I mean, there's lots of opinions out there that once silver broke through $35, there was no resistance to test back the highs until 50. So that's what we saw back in 2011.
Right.
And similar things can absolutely happen. When you looked at the gold-silver ratio as well, I mean, gold's been performing well.
It was 100 up until
just
2 weeks ago.
Exactly. So you can really see silver catch up. But I think from our perspective, look, we have about 50% of our revenue coming from silver, 50% from gold. So either way, I see strong, commodity prices ahead. Gold with lots of central bank demand, and obviously all the uncertainty globally is driving investors more and more toward gold. Silver is very similar, but it also has the industrial application as well. And there's a shortage. There's about $200 million ounces per year of demand, which exceeds supply.
It has been going on for quite some time.
4 years, 5 years now. Every year there's been 200. So demand is about 1 billion ounces of silver, and globally we're producing about 800 million or so ounces. And so that's not a sustainable situation. And even Diablilos, I mean, one of the few projects moving forward in the near term, within the foreseeable future, but that's not even going to make a dent. We're not going to produce, obviously, even close to 200 million ounces a year. So we'd be a small fraction of that. And so, where's the demand, or where's the supply going to come from? I think with that situation, you're going to see much higher silver prices ahead. So for me, if we retest those 2011 highs of $50 silver here in the near term, I would not be surprised whatsoever. And I think we'd really be poised to benefit from that.
Well, thank you, John, for taking the time to answer your question.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thank you.